In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag multiple pages in DocuSign. We'll guide you through each part of the process to ensure it's as easy as possible. We'll start by heading over to DocuSign, which many of you may know as the leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. If you're already familiar with DocuSign, this should be a breeze. First, we'll want to navigate to DocuSign's website. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the login button to access your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to proceed. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the DocuSign homepage. This is your hub for all things related to managing your digital documents and agreements. From here, locate and click on the Agreements section. This is where we can start managing the documents you need to tag. You'll be able to add, view, and modify various agreement details from this section. Once you're in the agreements area, you'll want to input any necessary details specific to the document you're setting up. This could include information pertinent to the agreement such as names, dates, and any specific instructions that need to be included. After you've inputted the necessary information, you'll see a button labeled Next. Go ahead and click on it to proceed further into the document setup process. This will bring you to the stage where you'll actually be tagging the fields. Here's a handy tip. If you're tagging fields across multiple pages, simply scroll through each page of the document. DocuSign makes it incredibly intuitive to navigate through your pages and ensure that every section has the appropriate tags. Take your time when tagging the fields to make sure everything is in the right place. This part might require a little patience, especially if your document is densely packed with information. But by methodically working your way through, you'll ensure that everything is correctly set up and ready for your recipients to engage with. And that's it. You've now tagged multiple pages in DocuSign and you're set to send off your document. By following these steps, you're ensuring a smooth and efficient process for yourself and your document recipients. Remember to save your work and double check everything before closing out of DocuSign. This extra step can save time and frustration down the line. And there you have it, tagging multiple pages in DocuSign made simple. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your document management tasks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using DocuSign and other digital tools to enhance your workflow. Until next time, happy tagging.